More than 2 months after a Louisville woman died in a southern Indiana jail, her family is still seeking answers. Adam Pinsker reports.
Ronisha Morrell remembers when Breonna Taylor was killed by police as she slept in her Louisville home in March of 2020. And she's well aware of other incidents where blacks have been mistreated by police. Now it happened to a member of her family.
And I ain't never think we'd be in this situation. It's under the same bracket, injustice, by people with authority.
Morrell's sister, 23-year-old Tanisha Chappell, was an inmate at the Jackson County Jail where she died July 15th. Her family now knows why.
So my understanding from conversations with Indiana State Police is that the initial autopsy reflects that Tanisha died due to toxicity, which means she was poisoned, but that the substance is unknown.
Family attorney Sam Aguiar says it could be a matter of days before a second round of tests confirms what the substance is. Chappell was arrested in May on charges of shoplifting from the Edinburgh Outlet Mall. She led police on a chase that ended in Jackson County. In early July, a judge denied Tanisha's request for a bond reduction. It was around that time she told family members she was afraid someone was trying to poison her.
She was like, "Sis, somebody put some bleach in my pickle juice."
Chappell also told her family that other inmates were calling her racial slurs, and someone fashioned a noose and put it in her cell. On July 15th, Tanisha told jailers she was running a fever and felt sick, but the family says guards did nothing that night.
It was no reason why they all walked around and let my sister bang on the buzzer, let my sister be in poop, vomiting blood, and they don't do nothing besides giving her some Tylenol, because that's what ISP said that they gave her.
By Friday, July 16th, her condition was much worse. Chappell was taken to the hospital in Seymour, where she was pronounced dead that evening. The family says there was bruising on her body as well.
Her body was in a lot of stress. We had to wait before we even received her body from Jackson County.
Chappell's family and their attorneys are frustrated by the length of time it has taken Indiana State Police to complete the investigation. They want Jackson County Sheriff Rick Meyer to turn over any surveillance video from the day of the incident.
In order for us to determine that, and in order for ISP to determine that, there's going to have to be comprehensive viewing of the videos. There's going to have to be, people that come forward and basically establish, from their own eyewitness accounts or from things that they've been told by others.
The family's legal team says the more time that passes, the harder it is to track down inmates who may have valuable information about what happened, as many of them have been released or transferred to other jails. Morrell says the silence coming from the Jackson County Sheriff and Indiana State Police won't make her family be quiet.
They just thought that Tanisha's family wasn't going to fight. That's all it is. They thought they was just going to be able to cover a 23-year-old black girl's story and think that they was going to just be able to tell us anything.
For Indiana News Desk, I'm Adam Pinsker.
We placed phone calls to Jackson County Sheriff Rick Meyer and Indiana State Police, but have yet to hear back.